morning. Welcome to beautiful Telluride, Colorado. Behind me is the TC-50. This is the first machine in our mobile conveyor lineup. Right now we have the machine and it's stowed and ready to transport position. Really, if you're comfortable pulling a 24-foot long trailer, you should have no issue with the TC-50. Now at the front end we've got the feed hopper down, wings down in their ready position, and the tongue swung out of the way. One of the major key features of the TC-50 is its ability to set up in those tight alleys. I've found that the times that I've ran the machine myself, it's really helped being able to get into those extremely tight spots. The front hopper on the machine was designed to be loaded with a conventional highway dump truck or any other piece of heavy equipment you'd find on your construction site. One of the key features of the front hopper is its ability to handle material up to 4 inches in size. What was important about that is your only pinch point is right here at the front hopper. So if it makes it past the hopper, you won't have any other clogs building up further down the line. So on the front hopper of our machine, we're also able to raise and lower by about 1.5 feet. The key for that is if you're parked on a driveway, downward sloping, you still want that ideal height for your dump truck. So being able to adjust on the fly will always give you that ideal position, keeping you moving no matter what the situation is. Next up we have our power plant assembly. It's broken into 3 compartments. First, our filtration compartment. Inside you have easy access to both our pressure and return filters. We run the dual filtration system so that you're able to get the most filtration and protect all of those components on the machine, getting as much life out of them as possible. We put a lot of time into making sure we stayed as efficient as possible. We run the system off of a Danfoss variable displacement pump, and that's powered by a HOTS turbo diesel 55 horsepower engine. When the system's running at full tilt, it's only using about 2.5 gallons per hour. In this compartment we also have our engine control unit. So this unit monitors all your standard engine health stats along with capturing any fault codes, so you know where your engine's at any time. So next to me here we have the feed conveyor. It brings material up from underneath the front hopper, making sure that all material comes off, lands directly on the primary. Between the 2 conveyors we have roughly 3 scrapers, making sure that everything stays clean as you're running it. The idea being the cleaner the machine, the less mess up at the end. Next up is the brains of the operation. Our remote control is able to handle everything associated with the primary boom, including belt speed, along with operating your belts on your feed conveyor and the position of the front hopper wings. The key to the remote is being able to move yourself where you can see everything and operate safely, keeping your guys safe and keeping that production up. On the front end of the primary conveyor, we have our elephant trunk assembly. This is a standard part on every machine. It's key for that guy at the end of the boom able to place that material exactly where he needs it, getting that grade right no matter what material you're running. And finally here we have the primary conveyor, the working end of the machine. It has a reach of 52 feet and can retract down to 23 feet. In addition, you're able to rev up that belt speed to get another 10 off the end of the boom, giving you 62 feet of total reach. While you're running the machine, you're able to rotate 240 degrees and also able to pitch up 25 degrees and pitch down 8 degrees. And with that, head over to our website, stoutconveyors.com. Myself and Nick, the guys straight out of the trench, are here to answer your questions, what it's like to be out on that job, run the machine, and be there to expect it to operate every day. I couldn't be more proud of what we built, and I hope to put a Stout conveyor to work for you.